Y'all, I'm eating me some KFC for lunch. I got fries, coleslaw. I got the KFC big bite. Y'all, I don't know why I got the fries. I should have got 2 coleslaws because I don't really like KFC fries at all. And I'm using some sweet heat sauce from Popeyes. Yeah, from Popeyes. Y'all, so today is Friday. I have absolutely nothing to do. I gotta get a life. I do. I have to. Because I'm tired of doing nothing, on my weekends. I need to get out, and I am going to start. I'm going to start. I ordered me some clothes so I can spruce myself up. If only I could keep this head of mine cold, from sweating out, because that's my problem. My hair keeps sweating out and getting on my nerves. Y'all, and I got Pepsi Zero from KFC to drink, but that is not Pepsi Zero. That's Diet Pepsi. I don't like Diet Pepsi. Good thing I have me some Pepsi Zero of my own. I think they slept. Giving me some daggone Diet Pepsi. Diet Pepsi so nasty to me. KFC got the best coleslaw, y'all. To me. We have the best coleslaw in the game. But y'all know here it's a seafood store here in Maryland. This how good coleslaw. Really good. It's better than KFC's. I gotta say that. Why? Because they don't use mayonnaise in that coleslaw. That coleslaw is a vinegar base. It is so good. But y'all, thanks for watching, y'all.